can't shirt. I like my shirt, you know. Like so. It says Brains and the Beat at YouTube, but you can barely see it because of how I'm filming. Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat here on YouTube. If you're new, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell your friend, tell your auntie, tell your cousin, tell your granny, tell everybody to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for sticking tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Westmoreland. And as you guys know, Westmoreland are my place. Westmoreland are my place. And that's where my family members come from. That's where I was born and raised. That's where some of my family members still live to this day. And Westmoreland is a place where I ride for, because I love where I come from. So when I saw that state of emergency was in Montego Bay and the crime rate was reduced, and then Westmoreland murder rate skyrocketed with children being murdered and killed, it was a big cause for concern for me personally, because I have personal interest with my family there, and that's where I always go when I go to Jamaica. So I don't want myself, my family, or any other person living in Westmoreland in danger, or any part of Jamaica, as a matter of fact, because that's why we do these videos. But they're claiming that they're trying to curb the murder rate in Westmoreland, because Westmoreland is one of the 3 parishes that have the most murder rate this year. So let's get into this article, and it says a strong police military presence has been mounted in the troubled Granger community in Westmoreland since Wednesday morning. Residents who woke up to the buzzing of helicopters hovering in the air and members of the security forces on the ground in numbers are bracing for an enhanced security measure to be declared in that community. With the escalating murder toll in Westmoreland, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Strong recently indicated that the government is not adverse to introducing enhanced security measures in that parish. Because as you guys know, Negril is a tourism area, and they seem like all them care about is tourism, and tourists will come to Jamaica. They don't really care about the residents. They just don't want the heap of murder them, and they just don't want people like countries like the US and the UK and Canada to tell their people not to come to Jamaica. But let's continue. We will be taking some steps to correct that. But if we have to raise the bar and move in an aggressive way with other things, we are prepared to do that, the security minister indicated. Speaking in St. James, Dr. Chang said intelligence indicated that gang activities are fueling most of the bloodletting in the parish, where he said measures have been taken in response to the issue. Since the start of the year, over 100 persons have been killed in Westmoreland. And we're in October. Granger have been at the heart of the violence, with all of 7 persons, including a 2-year-old baby, being shot and killed on May 1st when gunmen went amok in separate incidents in the community. A number of other serious offenses, including murder, have subsequently been recorded in the community. So, murder, catch on film, they killed a 2-year-old, shot him and killed him. Like, Westmoreland have been getting out of control. And I'm sure a lot of Westmoreland people and a lot of Granger residents are going to feel a little more safer, a little more climatized that the JDF and JCF and the special forces are in that particular community. I know that after a while of the zone of special operations or state of emergency in particular parishes in Jamaica, that after a while they become redundant and ineffective, because all the criminals do is they migrate to another parish, and then the murder rate skyrocket into that parish, and then they announce a state of emergency, zone of special operation in that parish, and then they move back to Westmoreland or Montego Bay or wherever they came from. So they're going to have to find a long-term way of getting rid of crime, violence, and murders in these particular communities. Yes, the zone of special operation and state of emergency are working now. They're working now, but is it a permanent fix to the issues that Jamaica has been having for years? No, it's not a permanent fix. And it's up to Jamaican people to implore the people that they have elected and put in those positions to do better, to actually come up with permanent plans and permanent sources and means and ways of getting rid of crime and violence in those particular communities or those particular parishes. But that's all I have to say on this matter. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Do you think that this zone of special operation or state of emergency that they're carrying out in these particular parish is a permanent fix, or is just to save face to get rid of some of the murder rates? Because people have been telling, industrialized countries have been telling their residents not to go to Jamaica because of the high crime rate. Or do you think that they're just trying to save face? Do you think that this is a permanent fix or a short-term fix, and they need to come up with a permanent fix? Comment in the comment section all your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share to all your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.